HTML list. List in HTML. List is a collection of information or related data. HTML are used to present list of information in word format and semantic way. There are three types of list in HTML: order list, unordered list, definition list. Definition list also called description list. Order list. Order list will use different schemes of numbers to list your items. You can use the type attribute for OL tag to specify the type of numbering you like. By default it is a number. For example, this is a UL tag. Type is attribute of this UL tag. Type equal to I. If we give A, then it will comes in A, B, C, D, E in this alphabetical manner. If we give 1 here, then it will come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this order list will be displayed in our browser. Okay, this is the order list, and we have another list, unordered list. An unordered list created using the UL element or UL tag, and each list item starts with alias element, list element. The list item in unordered lists are marked with bullets, square, dicks, circle, etc. It is also known as bulleted list. If we do not give any attribute, then it will display in a bulleted list. Okay. Uh, this is the UL type attribute: circle, beetroot, ginger, potato, radish. This is a collection of vegetables. Okay. We have another list, last list. This is a definition list, or it is also called description list. HTML also support the definition list. It has both starting tag and ending tag. This is the starting tag, this is the starting tag, and this is the ending tag of definition list. Now we are going to represent one example through which you can easily understand the list. I am using Sublime text editor here. Save file. Okay, I need to save this list.html file name. Okay, now I am going to write HTML code here. HTML, we are making a list. Okay, list body, we are writing any of the contents inside of body tag. Oh, I want to give h2. Okay, subheading for the what, for a list of fast food. Order list we are going to create first. So li second rice, now close OL tag order list. Let's see the output of this code. This is the file. List of fast food. This is the order list. See, 1 2 3 4, it is in order. Okay, now we give the type attribute here, type equal to double quotes, and in between double quotes we write the type of word tag. Okay, type I want to give I. Now it is visible in I Roman number. Okay, okay, copy this and give a line break here, and paste it. Type disc and UL tag. We are creating here UL tag, UL list. This is the UL unordered list. Here is no any orders. UL. Okay. Here I want to give DT. What? HTML. DT. DD. Define term of definition list. Okay. HTML. HTML stands for what? Hypertext mark of language. Again copy this. Control C. TP. TP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay. Now close DL. This is the definition list or description list. This is the example of list. In this way you can create a list on your website or web page. Okay.